welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you an amazing recipe. It's a Filipino dessert. It is called mango float. You can also call it graham cake. It actually is made up of graham biscuits, which we can find in the Philippines and maybe other countries, but here in Pakistan, we cannot. So I am making it with tiger biscuits. If you're here from Pakistan, you know what I'm talking about. So give this dessert a try. I mean, it's worth a try. Seriously, it is heavenly. Anybody who has tried it here in Pakistan, they have loved it, and I'm not kidding. So for this recipe, we're gonna need some mangoes, some condensed milk and Nestle cream, some tiger biscuits, and some biscuit crumbs. These are all the ingredients we need to make this amazing dessert. Let's begin. So to start off, I will be using tiger biscuits as the layer of this dessert. Make sure you use it according to your pan, whatever size you're carrying, and just form a plain, biscuit layer. That's it. Very simple. After you've already made your biscuit layer, you will put on some mangoes. Make sure they're thinly sliced so that it's nice and even. Yeah, just mangoes all over that layer, basically. So after this, we're just gonna cover the two layers with the condensed milk and Nestle cream. Make sure you whip it nicely before you pour on. And yeah, just cover it evenly, and basically it's a super easy dessert. Like, I'm not even kidding. This is so easy. No bake dessert, you can say. You don't have to bake, you don't have to burn in the heat especially. So yeah, so you just apply the second layer of biscuits, and after that, mangoes again. Yeah, make sure they're ripe and sweet, and the yummy ones, the yummy kind. So I'm pouring again the mixture, and at the end, to make it more beautiful, we're just gonna add some biscuit crumbs. Yes, that's what we're putting on the top. So you just take tiger biscuits, put them in your mixie, and then boom, there you go. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you try this dessert at home. And if you like it, even if you don't, do comment below. Let me know what other videos you want me to share with you. And thank you very much for watching. Till next time, ciao!